To use Alibaba.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Alibaba app and buy anything on it. So first thing, download the Alibaba app, and now this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to buy any product, for example this one right here, all what you have to do is click on it like this, and now all what you have to do is go to the product that you want to order and click here send inquiry. If you want to contact the person that is selling, and click send like this. And now choose the product quantity that you want, for example 50 or whatever, and you need to accept these and click send right here, and the message, you need to write a message right here. And if you want to see your profile or change the language or whatever, just go here down below and click on my Alibaba, and now right here go to the top corner. Now here you can change the shipping country, the currency, the language from here, the notifications, the password, everything you can change it from here. And also you have many options right here in my Alibaba that you may need. As you can see right here, it's very easy to use actually. And if you want to search for a product, just go here to the search bar and search right here, for example gaming. You can filter the search here by clicking in the top and filter it and click show results. Don't forget to like and subscribe.